Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make ultimate mayonnaise. It was very popular and many people talked about it online a few months ago, but now no one is making a video, I guess. So why am I making this video? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video instead of trying it out.
Here are the ingredients. If you watch this video till the end, you will notice that you can make this without this toy. Separate one egg. Put egg yolk in upper mixer. This measuring spoon is about half tablespoon of vinegar. Season with salt and pepper, then close the lid. Now mix for about 2 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Keep mixing for about 3 minutes. Stop and gently mix them together. And now it's done! Toast is easy to make, but you can top on top of other dishes as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
I will rate this product 10 out of 3. Why I give 3 is because I thought it's going to be a nice summer project for kids to experiment, making good mayonnaise, great mayonnaise, delicious mayonnaise. Because the recipe comes with this product was not good. I think you still need to fix it. You can first follow the original recipe, but you may think that you need more salt or more something, it's not perfect. And I tried it with more salt and sugar, but the machine didn't mix very well. And another thing I thought inconvenient about this product is that it uses battery C. We run to the convenience store to get some. It uses 3 batteries, so it costs a lot to make mayonnaise. We should better buy Kewpie mayonnaise at convenience store instead of getting the battery,